Assalamu alaikum kids. Now it's our English time, and in English we are learning how to make questions. We have the answers, we have statements, sentences, and from those sentences we are going to think of a question. Okay, so now let's look at an answer very carefully and then make a question from it. So the answer is number 1. This A and S means answer. So the answer is Oscar was going to Maria's house. Oscar was going to Maria's house. Let's say together. Oscar was going to Maria's house. Good. Now we are going to use where. Kahan? Where to make a question from it. Okay? So let's start. Where was Oscar going? Wow. And then a question mark at the end. Where was Oscar going? Where was Oscar going? Where was Oscar going? Let's say together. Where was Oscar going? Let's say it once more. Where was Oscar going? Very good. Now you write this question in your copy first, and then you go to the second one. Now let's start the second question. So the answer to the second question is Maria's grandpa was snoring. Maria's grandpa was snoring. Maria's grandpa was snoring. So now you need to use who to make a question. So what will be our question? Who was snoring? Who was snoring? Who was snoring? Now let's say it together. Who was snoring? Who was snoring? Once more. Who was snoring? Now you write this in your copy. But remember to put a question mark at the end. Now next question. Oscar picked up a bone. Oscar picked up a bone. Oscar picked up a bone. Okay, so the question we will make with what? So the question is, what did Oscar pick? What did Oscar pick? What did Oscar pick? What did Oscar pick? Now let's say it together. What did Oscar pick? What did Oscar pick? Okay, now do this in your copy. And now, number 4. The cat was coming because she heard the noise. The cat was coming because she heard the noise. So the question will start with why. So the question is, why cat was coming? Why cat was coming? Let's say together. Why cat was coming? Once more. Why cat was coming? Very good. Now let's do all these questions in your copy. Allah Hafiz.